most people get this wrong when they look at Xero accounting. They either assume it is only for accountants or they think it will instantly fix all their bookkeeping problems. But here's the truth no one tells you. Xero is powerful, but only if you understand its strengths and its limits before you commit. In this video, you will get an honest 2026 review of Xero accounting, including its pros, cons, pricing, and whether it is actually worth it for your business. Let's get right into it. First, what is Xero? Xero is cloud-based accounting software designed to help you manage invoices, expenses, bank transactions, payroll, and financial reports in one place. So when Alex runs a small online business, he can track every dollar without manually updating spreadsheets. Now here's where it gets interesting. Xero is known for its clean design and ease of use, especially compared to more traditional accounting tools. Many users switch to Xero because it feels simpler and more modern. But here's the problem most people face. They think Xero is plug and play. In reality, it still requires proper setup. If your chart of accounts is wrong from the beginning, your reports will not be accurate later. Let's break down the pros first. One major advantage is automation. Xero can connect to your bank accounts and automatically import transactions. This saves a lot of manual work. It also helps reduce human error, which is a big win for small business owners. Another pro is invoicing. Xero makes it easy to create and send professional invoices. So if John is a freelancer, he can bill clients, track payments, and send reminders without extra tools. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest limitation of Xero that catches new users off guard, and this is where many businesses struggle. Xero's biggest strength is also its ecosystem. It connects with hundreds of third-party apps like payroll tools, inventory systems, and payment platforms. This makes it very flexible for growing businesses. Now let's talk about the cons. One downside is pricing. While it starts affordable, costs increase as you add more features or users. For very small businesses, this can feel expensive over time. Another limitation is learning curve. Even though Xero is user-friendly, accounting itself is still complex. If you do not understand basic bookkeeping, you may still feel confused. Also, customer support is not always instant. Some users report delays when they need help with urgent issues. So is Xero worth it in 2026? If you want clean design, strong automation, and scalability, then yes, it is a strong choice. But if you need something extremely beginner-friendly or fully guided, you may need extra learning or help from an accountant. To wrap it up, Xero accounting in 2026 is powerful, flexible, and modern. But it works best when you take time to set it up properly and understand the basics of accounting. If this review helped you, like the video, leave a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns that help you make smarter financial decisions.